Aloha, welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's session, we are going to tackle about the homeroom guidance of Grade 4, for Quarter 2, Module 5, entitled, Achieving Success in School. Introductory message, for the learner. In the previous lesson, you had learned how to make a good decision. This module is designed for you to learn how to be more responsible as a student. Even if you are doing the school requirements at home, it is expected that you will be able to accomplish the given tasks. However, as a student, you should equip yourself with the necessary skills to cope with everyday difficulties. Different activities are provided for you to improve your ways of coping with your everyday life situation. This module consists of 6 interactive activities for you to follow, namely, Let's Try This, which will help you get ready to learn, Let's Explore This, which will guide you towards what you need to learn, Keep in Mind, which will give you the lessons that you need to learn and understand, You Can Do It, which will help you apply the lessons learned in daily activities, What I Have Learned, which will test and evaluate your learning, and Share Your Thoughts and Feelings, which will help you express your thoughts, opinions, and feelings. You can ask help from your parent or guardian if you need some clarifications about the activities. Have fun learning. Stay safe and healthy. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to 1. Identify positive experiences in school to contribute meaningfully to family and community. 2. Recognize your role in participating in the community activities. And 3. Apply the lessons learned in school to positively contribute to the community. Introduction. Success means achieving your goals by doing well. As a learner, you need to focus on your studies and take an active role. You need to manage your time well and set your goals to achieve success. Let's review. In Module 4, you are tasked to write a short story and poem where you have made different decisions. Remember, decisions, whether small or big, should be carefully done. For your first activity, which is the Let's Try This, you are going to do the My Positive and Negative Experiences. In number 1, you are going to draw a table on a piece of paper similar to the one below. 2. Read the following, and 3. Decide whether you have a positive or negative experience related to the words and acronyms presented inside the chart by writing them in the proper column of the table. After doing the first activity, you may now answer this 2 processing questions. Number 1. What have you observed with your answers? And 2. Can you identify one experience from the list that you consider very important for you? Why? For your Let's Explore This activity, you are going to 1. Write numbers 1 to 10 on your paper. 2. Read the statements below. 3. Decide whether the situation presented is a positive or negative experience. 4. If it is positive, draw a positive sign before the number, and if it is negative, draw a negative sign. Statement 1. I helped my younger sibling in answering his or her modules. 2. I asked for an answer from my classmate during a long test. 3. I joined a school contest to be confident in front of others. 4. I did not finish my test because I ran out of time. And 5. I throw the candy wrapper in the garbage can for plastics. 6. I got support from my teacher whenever I have a problem with my lessons. 7. I did not do my assignments. 8. I helped my classmates whenever they need help. 9. I swept the floor in the classroom even if I was not assigned as a cleaner. And 10. I participated in class discussions. After answering the activity, you may now proceed on answering this 3 follow-up processing questions. Number 1. Which among the positive situations above have you experienced? Can you tell something about it? 2. What did the persons who were part of your positive experiences tell you? And 3. Which among the negative situations above have you experienced? What should you do to have a good experience next time? Now you must keep this in mind. Ways to overcome problems in school. Number 1. Tell your parents or guardians. Whenever you have problems in school, do not hesitate to tell your parents or guardians. They know you better than others. Since you are studying inside your home, they are the first ones who can help you. 2. Seek support from your teachers. Do not hesitate to tell your teachers whenever you encounter difficulties in school. They serve as your second parents. Also, even if you do not meet them personally, they can still guide you in doing your schoolwork. 3. Have a positive attitude towards studies. Have a positive attitude towards your studies by doing the following. A. Consider studies as a bridge to your achievement as it will prepare you for greater things. B. Keep in mind that you are studying not for anybody else, but for your own future. C. Believe that you can improve yourself as you learn. And 4. Manage your time well. Use time wisely by following a schedule for studying and playing. For your You Can Do It activity, read the following scenarios and answer the questions on a sheet of paper. Scenarios. A. Your classmate is asking you to share your answers in the long test since you will not be seen by your teacher in a distance learning modality. B. A student joining a quiz bee for the third time but still not winning. And C. Improving your grade in the subject with the lowest mark during the first grading exam. Processing questions. Number 1. From the scenarios presented, which one is the easiest for you to solve and why? 2. Which one seems difficult to solve and why? And 3. Choose one from the scenarios presented and explain how you are going to solve it. To test what you have learned in this module, you are now going to do the What I Have Learned activity. Number 1. On a piece of paper, write 3 positive experiences in school that helped you do your schoolwork even if you are staying at home, and 2. Write 3 things that you have learned in school that you can use it in helping people during this pandemic. Lastly, you are now going to share your thoughts and feelings. On a short bond paper, create a poster slogan that will encourage your neighbors to stay healthy and strong during this time.